The anchor chain length calculator determines the minimum chain length needed to safely anchor your vessel based on water conditions and vessel dimensions. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we select weather conditions from the drop-down menu. The options are calm conditions with 3:1 scope, normal conditions with 5:1 scope, rough conditions with 7:1 scope, and storm conditions with 10:1 scope. For this demonstration, I'm selecting normal conditions. Next, enter the water depth in meters. This is the distance from the water surface to the seabed. Then input the freeboard height in meters, the vertical distance from the waterline to your anchor point on deck. For our example, I'm entering 10 meters for water depth and 10 meters for freeboard height. After clicking Calculate Chain Length, we get our results. The total depth shows as 20.0 meters, which combines our water depth and freeboard. The calculator then shows total depth again as 100.0 meters. This is your required chain length. The scope ratio confirms 5:1, matching our normal condition selection. This ensures proper holding power for safe anchoring. Find the link in the description below.